Step into the Kia 2018 Stinger GT1. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, 8-way power adjustable passenger seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.